work on different kinds of salsa spins. The first one is going to be our side basic spins. We've talked about this a little bit in other videos, but we're going to go in greater detail. And this will specifically help you with the video I'm going to link above. So do these exercises first and then go to the video above. All right, so to do a side basic spin, you're going to step in place on 1. You're going to go to your left on 2. As you do that, you want to twist your upper body slightly. You're focusing on the chest rotating here. Arms are in neutral position, so be here on 2. You're going to unwind, bring your feet together, ankle to ankle, and spin on 3 on the right foot. You're going to repeat on the other side, step down on 5, prep to the right 6, turn on your left foot, ankle to ankle, 7. Now, the more you are able to stay ankle to ankle when you turn, the easier it will be to go from one side to the other and keep going back and forth. So let's try it a few times now. We step 1, 2, turn 3, 5, 6, turn 7. There's obviously a lot that goes into spinning. So in addition to getting your footwork nice and clean and using the torso to turn, you also want to make sure that you're spotting. So as you come around for that turn, make sure you're looking for the front of your room and you find it again. You don't want to see anything else. So if you have a mirror, you're only looking at your own eyes, or you're going to pinpoint an object that is right in front of you. That is all you're going to look at. In order to do that as you turn, you're continuing to keep your head looking forward at your eye level until you can no longer look anymore. And then you're going to bring your head around really quickly and let the rest of your body follow. So we go 1, 2, keep looking 3, 5, 6, keep looking 7, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that will be part 1. Part 2 is to increase the number of spins that you do. To increase, you need to be faster, you need to be more precise and more balanced, and you can use your spotting to increase your speed. So I know that I need to spin on 3, 4, for example, for 2 spins. So I'm going to say 3, 4 as I spin, so I kind of get my body to move the way I want it to and at the speed I want it to. So we're going to try. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you need to touch down, that is okay. But you want to make sure that when you're touching down, you're already spinning with your left leg, if you're spinning on the right foot, flexed so that you're as close to the floor as possible with that leg. So you'll be spinning like so. Technically, you'll have your weight off the heel as you turn. And then if you needed to touch down, it'll just be right there for you. You wouldn't need to be moving around. Let's try it again. This time we're going to take 1 spin on the other side. So we step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then you would repeat that on the other side, working on your spot and your sense of balance, now on your left foot. So we step 5, 6. We turn 2 times to the left on 7, 8. And then we step to the right 1, 2, 3. And you can repeat that as many times as you need, or you can take a basic after it if you need a little bit more practice first. Okay, so now we're going to try both of those. So first we'll do 1 and 1. We'll take a basic, then we'll go 2 and 1. We'll take a basic, then we'll go 1 and 2. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3. 1 and 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 2 and 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For an added challenge, take out those basics and try them back to back, and then with music. Okay, our last one is to do 2 and 2, so 2 on each side. So now again, you want to make sure you say it. I promise saying 3, 4, and 7, 8 is going to help you get your body to do it, even if it doesn't happen right off the bat. 5, 6, 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can try all of these spins slower, but spinning super slow is actually harder than spinning faster. So you want to find this happy medium where you're dancing in time and you're on the beat of the music. You don't want to rush anything or slow down some parts and rush other parts. You want to be really consistent with your timing, but you want to kind of find this happy medium where you're able to spin and continue your motion and you don't feel like you're going at a snail's pace, but you're also not going super fast and just trying to gun everything without thinking about your technique. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, basic, and 1, 2, 3, 1 and 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, basic. 1, 2, 3, 2 and 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, basic, 2, 3, 1 and 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, basic, 2, 3, 2 and 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I encourage you to try a full song of this and use that as an exercise or as part of your warm-up.